Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw your production possibilities frontier PPF or production possibilities curve PPC, and then briefly talk about calculating opportunity cost here. There is no magic formula for opportunity cost. We're just going to use the definition we had for opportunity cost. So in this example, which is posted on the lecture notes, you can see that our small economy produces only pizza and robot. So I'm going to use all the numbers that I have here for different combinations of pizza and robot to draw my PPC. So it really doesn't matter where you are putting your pizza, where you're putting your robot, it really doesn't matter. So I put my pizza here and I put my robot here, and now I'm going to find all these combinations of pizza and robot. So in point A, the economy produces 0 pizza and then 10 robots. So let me just kind of put some numbers on my X and Y axis that I have here, and I'm going to show them to you. Okay, so point A is somewhere here where we are producing only robots, 0 pizza. So this is kind of an extreme case. Point B is when we are producing 1 unit of pizza and 9 robots, so somewhere here. Point 3 is 2 pizza and 7 robots, that's C. Point D is a combination of 3 pizza and 4 robots, and then point E is another extreme case when we're using all the resources to produce pizza only, 0 robots. So our PPC passes through all these points, and it should be kind of like a concave shape or bowed out shape. It is not a straight line, and the reason is that the opportunity cost changes along this PPC. That's why we typically have kind of this shape. If I want to draw a kind of a better and a smoother PPC, it should look like this. So this is actually the shape of the PPC, and my PPC, obviously because I'm holding the camera and drawing, so it is not really that smooth. But anyhow, this is my PPC. It's bowed out shape. It's concave. It is not a straight line, okay? So this is how we draw our PPC. If you remember the way that we define opportunity cost or OC, I'm just using the abbreviation here for my opportunity cost, is what you're giving up to gain something else. And let's say here we want to calculate the opportunity cost of pizza along this PPC. According to our definition, opportunity cost of pizza is the number of robots that we are giving up. Since we are calculating the opportunity cost of pizza here, so pizza is something that we want to gain, we want to produce more. But if you remember, we have the scarcity, so we are not able to produce as many pizzas as we want, as many robots as we want. In order to produce, let's say, more pizza, you have to sacrifice some level of robot. So opportunity cost will tell us how many robots we have to sacrifice and give up if we want to produce more pizza. So let's look at the graph. If you want to calculate the opportunity cost of pizza, let's say between A and B, point A and B, look at the graph. When you are at point A, we are producing 0 pizza. As soon as you move from A to B, you are gaining 1 robot, but there is a cost for you. If you want to produce 1 robot, 1 pizza, you have to reduce your production on robot. That's the cost, that's the opportunity cost, that's the trade-off you have. So the opportunity cost of pizza between A and B is 1 robot that you are gaining. I'm gaining 1 pizza and I am losing 1 robot. Let's look at the opportunity cost between C and D, between these 2 points. Between these 2 points, we want to see what is the opportunity cost of one pizza. Guys, we typically calculate the opportunity cost for 1 unit of output. That's why we calculated the opportunity cost of one pizza here, and I'm going to calculate the opportunity cost of one pizza here. So look at the graph. Between C and D, we are again gaining one pizza. The number of pizza went up from 2 to 3, but there is a cost. So we are gaining one, and then we are losing 3 robots. The number of robots went down from 7 to 4. So the opportunity cost here for us, the opportunity cost of having one more pizza is the 3 robot that we are giving up. It's the same thing between C and E. It would be 4. The opportunity cost between D and E for one pizza will be 4 robots. As you can see, when we move from A to E, we are producing more and more pizza. Look at the number of pizza, right? So we're producing more and more pizza, but there is a cost. The opportunity cost of producing more robot is going up. It's 1 here, between B and C is 2, between C and D is 3, between D and E is 4. So as you produce more and more of one product, the opportunity cost is just increasing. That explains, this increasing opportunity cost explains the shape of our PPC. If you have a straight line for PPC, it means that the opportunity cost is fixed. We rarely have straight line for our PPC or linear PPC. It doesn't really matter if you put your robot here or your pizza here. You should be able to calculate the opportunity cost of both product here. So for opportunity cost of robot, you are going to move backwards. You're going to move from E to A. And again, you should see this increase in opportunity cost when you calculate the opportunity cost of robot. I'm just going to show you one more here. The opportunity cost, let's write down the definition. The opportunity cost of robot, again, robot is something that you are gaining. You want to have more, is the number of pizza that you are going to give up. Or I can say that the opportunity cost of robot is 1 divided by the opportunity cost of pizza, and you'll see why. So between E and D, and again, I want to calculate the opportunity cost of one robot here, okay? One robot. Look at between E and D. When you move from E to D, you are gaining 4 robots and you are losing, or you are sacrificing or giving up 1 pizza. The number of pizza you are producing is going down because of the scarcity, because you want to gain more robots. There is a cost for you. So if you want to calculate the opportunity cost of one robot, the opportunity cost of one robot is 1/4 of pizza. Why? Because the opportunity cost of, let me write it, opportunity cost of 4 robot between E and D is 1 pizza. You are gaining 4 robots, then you are giving up 1 pizza. But as I told you earlier, we typically calculate the opportunity cost of 1 robot. The opportunity cost of 1 robot is 1/4 of a pizza. Between D and C, the opportunity cost of 1 robot is 1/3 of a pizza. You are again gaining 3 robots, and you are losing 1 pizza. So the opportunity cost of 3 robot is 1 pizza, and the opportunity cost of 1 robot is 1/3 of a pizza. The opportunity cost between B and C for a robot is half, and the opportunity cost of robot between A and B is again 1 pizza. Again, when we are moving backwards from E to A, you should again see the increasing opportunity cost. So 1/4, 1/3, half, and then 1. Hopefully this video helped you to understand PPC and opportunity cost.